Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of First Try in Motherhood. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're a returning subscriber, of course, thank you so much. If you're a new subscriber, then welcome to the family. So today, depending on what time you'll be watching this video, currently it's morning Kenyan time. Of course, I'm in Kenya, and again, yes, I'm a stay-at-home mom. So if you hear some noise in the background, just know a lot is happening, guys. So I'm about to make breakfast. I just want to show you what I give my baby most of the time. I'm at just one of those mornings. So currently I want to make ugali. Yeah guys, for me, I'm not just subscribed to the Cerelac world, the Weetabix, those ones. And I find it also hard to give him like tea and bread. Like myself, I'm trying to stay away from wheat, things to do with. But that's a story for another day. I'm not yet off. I'm still struggling here and there, but I was like, I can do that for him. Just stay away from wheat products, a whole lot of things, because once their gut is tampered with, then you start having a lot of issues. So I'm currently making ugali, fish, and some veggies. And I'll also be making my breakfast. And guys, for a minute, I think I'm officially allowed to say that I am back. I am officially back, like I never left. Because guys, currently I can even see my collarbone. And the compliments I've been getting is just about my weight. Like I was told, like, just give it time. You won't even have to struggle going to the weighing scale. What is it? Give me a minute. So guys, a lot has happened. Endurance, consistency, pain, patience, guys. But I can officially say that I am in my 60s, and Aga is so happy. I remember in December I was really eating without feeling guilty, because I was like, in January I want to start working out. Fast forward, of course, I didn't work out. Okay guys, let's cook. In January I was really eating like without feeling guilty. I will show you a video how I was looking back then. And I was just like, I have to do this. I have to do this. All my life I've been skinny. So having that huge weight, back then I was at, I think, 84 kgs. So I was just like, no, I have to reduce. I have to reduce, whether I like it or not. Guys, at this point I have to give, that stage where you just give random things. And we are officially in, I think, toddler stage. Because it just turned a year sometime back. It wasn't working, guys. I used to procrastinate a lot. I used to just feel like today I'm not doing it. And then one thing that also helped me, I had a coach who was making me feel comfortable of me going to the gym every single day. So I just felt so good about it. And no matter what, like, I had that picture that I wanted, where I wanted to be, and I was like, this is achievable, I can do it. So after some time I could go and fit my clothes. Of course, some are not fitting, and most of them were just like, no, just give it time. Hey, 5 months down the line, your girl is back like you never left. So I'll show you some of the videos, some of the foods that I've been trying to eat. Back to baby. Okay. Construction and progress. So guys, I'll show you some of the workouts. So away from that, like I told you, I'm currently making ugali, and that's just how I've done it from day one. From the moment he turned 6 months, like I've just been making whole meal. I don't do milk. I don't do. I just make him food, like food, because I do that because he doesn't give me a lot of pressure when it gets to lunchtime. Because when you give them bread and also rice, I don't give him rice, because rice makes him feel hungry. Like something called glycemic index. It is very high in rice. So after some time, you're going to start feeling hungry, not because you're hungry, but I don't know, it spikes your sugar level, I don't know, your insulin and all that, all that stuff. So it happens to me whenever I eat rice. That's to me after 2-3 hours, around 4 hours, we are back in the kitchen. So yeah guys, my belly is yeah. So yeah, let's eat guys. Where nakwambia